Hi friends, today we are going to deal with some important questions from the 10th standard, that is Adventures in a Banyan Tree. So all of you know the pattern of the question paper. The first question will be a comprehension passage. In that you will get 5 or 6 questions. One question will be to write one word. So in order to write one word, you have to study the words given in the glossary of your textbook. The next question will be from poems. You will get appreciation to write from one poem and question answers, 4 or 5 question answers from another poem. So 2 poems will be asked for the exam. One to write the appreciation and the other question answer writing. So in the question answers you can expect rhyming words, rhyme scheme, poetic device, that is alliteration, assonance, metaphor, like that you can expect. Next you will be given an unfamiliar passage. You have to go through that and write the answers for the 5 questions. Next comes the 7-mark question. You will get 2 questions to write. One will be from one story and another from other fictional lessons. Then for that 7-mark question you have to write the answers by dividing it into paragraphs. 3 or 4 paragraphs you have to write, and you have to use the hints given in the question paper for writing the answers, and the length should be from 1.5 to 2 pages. So the important questions you can expect from the first lesson, Adventures in the Banyan Tree. You will get describe the fight scene between the cobra and the mongoose. 7-mark question you can expect. Next one, the role of the spectators, Myna and Crow, in the battle. So these are the questions. Another question you can expect is, living in harmony with nature is very pleasant experience. Living in harmony with nature is a very pleasant experience. How far is this statement true? That can be expected. Then, suppose this boy narrates this fighting incident to one of his friends. What would be the likely narrative? So these are the 7-mark questions you can expect from the lesson. Next questions is speech, 6-mark question. It includes speech, conversation, newspaper report, diary, everything will come. So speech. Write a speech on the preservation of nature. Picking the points from the lesson Adventures in a Banyan Tree. So you can write how we can protect our nature. Living in harmony with nature is very thrilling and a joyful experience. So with regard to that, you can include how we can protect and preserve nature also. So when you write the speech, you have to give salutation. So if the speech is to be delivered in the school assembly, you can start like this. Respected principal, HM, teachers and my dear friends, Today I stand before you to speak a few words on the topic preservation of nature, or living in harmony with nature is a pleasant experience. Then you can start the speech, and when you finish that speech you can write, with this I conclude my words. Thank you. So the points you can include is, how can we preserve nature? We should avoid deforestation. We have to plant so many trees. Plants are the lungs of nature. Then they protect us from so many pollutions. Then we have to preserve our nature. Nature is blessed with so many beautiful resources like rivers, then forest, oceans, mountains, so many things. So man is exploiting all these things for his selfishness and for constructing houses and buildings. So if this condition goes on, our ecosystem will collapse and we have to suffer a lot, including so many hazards like air pollution, water pollution. Then everything should come before us in the form of a menace. So in order to avoid this, we have to plant more trees and protect the greenery of the earth. So like that you can write a speech. Then conversation. According to the marks you have to write. If it is a 5-mark question, you have to write 10 responses. If it is a 6-mark question, you have to write 12 exchanges. One person should say 6 response and other 6 response, like that. Only the marks are given, you have to write according to the marks. Exchanges should be according to the marks. If it's a 5-mark question, 10 responses, and if it is a 6-mark question, you have to write 12 responses. So the conversation between you and that boy about a fight between cobra and a mongoose, that can be expected. And as soon as the boy saw this fight, he went to his grandfather. Write the conversation between grandfather and a boy. So 2 conversations you can expect, that is from the taught portions I am saying. That is, as soon as the fight started, this boy had a conversation with his grandfather. Write that likely conversation. Next question is, suppose you meet that boy and this boy talks about a fight between cobra and a mongoose with you. Write the likely conversation. So these questions you can expect. Then write the diary entry of this boy when the squirrel became his friend. Write the diary entry of the boy when the squirrel became his friend. Write the diary entry of the boy when he saw the fight between the mongoose and the cobra. So all these things can be asked for diary writing. So from the taught portions in the online class, I will give you some important questions. So from the first stanza, the spreading branches till Himalayas, you can expect fill in the blanks with preposition. So please read the textbook very well. Each and every time I remind you that you have to read the textbook very well. Only then you can write all these things. The spreading branches till Himalayas, you will get a lot of prepositions in that paragraph, so it can be asked for fill in with prepositions. Then halfway up the tree, the boy had built a seat from where he watched the fight scene. He was shocked to see the fight between cobra and a mongoose. He maintained a safe distance to watch the fight. The fight continued for a long time. Like this, you will get a passage and you will be given phrasal verb. So, the underlined words will be built, shocked, maintain a safe distance, continue. And you will be given the corresponding phrasal verbs. You have to write the answers from the bracket. So, the phrasal verb for built is set up, shocked, taken aback. Then maintain a safe distance, keep back. Then continue, go on. Like this you will get to the question. So all these can be asked to write phrasal verb. Next is, it was an April afternoon. From that passage you will get editing. It was in an April afternoon. Instead of an, you will be given the. So one thing you have to remember is, if at all you will be given prepositions to edit, if the preposition is written wrongly, you have to substitute the other two prepositions, especially articles. For example, it was an April afternoon. You will be given the. So you know A-E-I-O-U words will have an. So you have to strike off the and write an. So that you have to remember. So if any prepositions or articles are given for correction, you have to substitute other articles. If a, an or the is given for editing, you have to substitute the other two articles. So you have to remember that vowel sounds will have an. If a particular thing is specified, you have to use the. If we speak about one thing, a should be used. Then the next rule is, after had, V3 should be used. Built, B-U-I-L-D, you will be given like that. Had built, B-U-I-L-D, you will be given like that. So you have to write it as had built, B-U-I-L-T. So always remember, after had, V3 will come. Then from the first sentence itself you can find out whether the whole passage is in the present tense or past tense. If it is in the past tense words will be there, and you have to change all other editing words to past tense. Likewise you have to write. So from the first or second sentence you will get a clue in which tense is it written. So according to that you can write. So the first rule is, if any articles are given for editing, you have to substitute the other two articles. Use your common sense and write. Then after had you have to use V3. Then sometimes you will be given jumbled word order. Made up his mind, up his mind made, like that you will be given. So you have to read the textbook and correct the word order. Word order will be given in the jumbled way. You have to correct it and write. Then after verb ly should be used. For example, he waited patient. Like that you will get a question. So waited is the verb there. So after the verb you have to add ly to the editing verb. So if any word is given for editing after verb, you have to add ly to that. That is another rule. So the first one is error correction. Prepositions or articles will be given wrongly. Then word order will be given in the jumbled order. Then after had wrong tense will be given. That you have to know that after had V3 will come. Then after verb you have to write ly. Then after could, would, should, present tense will come. If conditions will also come for editing sometimes. So these are the possible things you have to edit. And editing question will be 5-mark question. So please read the textbook very well. So it was an April afternoon. From that you can expect phrasal verb question and also editing question. So read that lesson very well. You will get a lot of prepositions there. So a newspaper report can also be asked regarding the fight. So if that question comes, when you write a newspaper report, a heading should be given. A suitable title should be given. After that, place and date should be written at the left side of that title. And the first sentence should be the expansion of the title. Then you have to write what, where, when, who all are involved in that. Everything should come in that newspaper report. A fierce fight. You can give the title like that. You can write Dara. Then put a date. Then a fierce battle occurred between a cobra and a mongoose in a banyan tree in the town of Dara, owned by a boy and a grandfather. And the fierce battle continued for a long time. It occurred yesterday in the afternoon, and the boy was sitting at the top of the tree watching all these fights. 2 other spectators were there, a crow and a myna. The cobra and the mongoose were unaware of the boy who was sitting up. After a long battle, the mongoose killed the cobra. So all these things should come in the newspaper report. So a catchy title should be there, then place and date. The first sentence should be the expansion of the title. I will give you another example. A car hit a boy. You can write a place and date. A running car hit a boy yesterday morning in the city. The boy was going to school. While he was crossing the road, a car fastly came and hit him. The boy fell down. He was taken to the hospital immediately, but on the way he died. A huge gathering was there, and one of them took this boy to the hospital. On the way, the boy breathed his last, and a car driver was arrested for the crime. So like that, you can write a newspaper report. So these are the points you have to bear in mind while writing the newspaper report. When you write a conversation according to the marks, you have to write the exchanges. Don't write too many exchanges and waste your time and energy. So when you write a 7-mark question, it should be divided into paragraphs and the length will be 1.5 to 2 pages. When you write a speech, you have to give proper salutation. After that, with this I conclude my speech. Thank you. Like that you have to write. Then from this lesson you can expect write 3 slogans for preserving nature. What are they? Protect the greenery of the earth. Plant a tree and save our life. Plants are the lungs of nature. Like that you can write. Plant a tree, save our life. Like that. So these are the things you have to keep in mind. So thanks for watching the video. We will be back with lot of lessons next day.